block, it will obstruct, it will cover. So then by taking shelter of Guru, aparadhas go. Whatever aparadhas, because I heard in Shastra that if we offend a Vaishnava, aparadh means generally offending Vaishnava, then we have to go to him and ask forgiveness and all.
Repentance.
Yes, repentance article I read. So, but without knowing, because of ignorance, without knowing, many times offenses has done to Vaishnavas, without knowing like whom I offended what. So how these all things will be taken care just by taking shelter of Guru?
No, that's not what the Shastras say. I mean, there's no bhakti bhajan of any significance without surrendering to Guru, taking diksha. So it's a given we can say in this analogy about aparadhas blocking bhakti bhajan and only Guru Kripa. First of all, the whole concept of aparadhas and doing right thing and wrong thing, it's part of the awareness and education and knowledge that one gains after surrendering to a Guru. Because the Guru teaches the path of sadhana and the sadhya, what is the goal of life, and what is the sadhana. So part of the sadhana is to do the right thing and avoid the wrong thing. Yama niyama. Do's and don'ts. So the don'ts include aparadh. And there are varieties of aparadhs described in the Shastra which one can read. Nam aparadhs, Vaishnava aparadh. So in the Shastras it's describing that one offends an individual knowingly, then he should beg forgiveness at the feet of that Vaishnava, render service and make him pleased, even if it takes many days and repeated attempts. He has to keep trying and trying and trying. And if even after many, many tries and many sevas and attempts to pacify or get the forgiveness of that Vaishnava, still there's no success, then the Shastras tell us that the aparadhi, the devotee who's made that offense, knowingly, he should take full shelter in the holy name, and by continuous chanting, this is what's told in Shastra. This is already understood, it's under Guru's shelter, because he's initiated. So Guru's mercy is at every moment. Like you're breathing in every moment. Air is going in and out of your lungs at every moment to maintain your existence. If it stops, there's no existence of your physical body. Yeah.